Hello, my name is Andrew Castillo. My partner is Brian Bastida. Our product owner is Mark Finlayson, and our mentor is Masood Sajadi. So today we're going to be doing the review meeting and the retrospective meeting. So as far as our review meeting, we had our two user stories that we had to get done. By the end of the sprint, we did complete both of them. So as far as getting some other stories, that were rejected or into the backlog, there are none. When we look at our retrospective meeting, um, since we got some stuff done, it's hard to see what went wrong. I guess maybe time could be off, but we estimated our velocity, which seemed to be pretty good, and estimating the points for each of the user stories worked out as well. We worked a schedule. There was some points where we thought there were certain things done correctly where they weren't, so we had to go back and complete those. But other than that, it was completed on time. What went right? We had all our user stories complete, so that's kind of the best thing that we could do there. Um, and how to address some of the issues in the next sprint. I think we didn't necessarily have issues, but just how can we better ourselves within each of these sprints. So how to improve our process, just as far as looking back at past sprints, and keeping this sprint as a model, we can tell ourselves not to get ahead of ourselves. Learn what we need for each user story, better plan from the beginning of the sprint, and just track our progress along the way. With our daily sprint meetings, daily Scrum meetings, and for our improvement of the product, we just want to get a basic search functionality with the REST API, which is something that we got recently, so that's something we can add to the sprint. And just loading our project to our dedicated VM that we were also given recently.